Hi everyone! Today is a very special day for us because today we are on a very special aircraft. We're on the Pakistan International Airlines latest addition to its fleet, which is the 777 Boeing PIA. And I'll be traveling business class, so here is my seat right here. Looks super comfortable. Sit and enjoy this trip throughout.
This is going to be a very amazing trip. This airplane has a very interesting in-flight entertainment system. We have a huge list of movies right here to choose from. I really enjoy animated movies, so I'm going to select my favorite amongst the list. Let's play it.
Check this out. How cool is this? And back to camera. Okay guys, we're almost towards the end of our trip and it has been an amazing flight. So we're gonna land in around 15 to 20 minutes.